Ever taken a photo and wished you could move something in it? On your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra, or Plus, you can do it in seconds. No extra apps needed. First, open your gallery and pick the photo you want to edit. Once it opens, now look for the AI editing tools. This might show as generative edit or object tools, depending on your device. If prompted, just allow the permissions. From there, tap on Move. Now select the object you want to adjust. The AI will usually detect it automatically, but you can fine-tune the selection if needed. Once selected, simply drag the object to a new spot. You can also resize or reposition it until it looks natural in the scene. When everything looks good, tap Generate. The phone will recreate the background and blend everything smoothly. If it doesn't look perfect, you can tweak it again or regenerate for a better result. Once you're happy, tap Save as Copy, and your edited photo is ready. And that's it. Super easy and no extra apps needed.